Do you know you can change your PC name with just a double click? Yes. In this video, I'm going to show you a simple script that when double clicked will give you the option to change your computer name. But before we dive into the video, if you are stopping by the channel for the first time, please consider subscribing to the channel, liking the video, and turning on the bell notification so you never miss an update. Now let's get started. So to double click to change your PC name, you have to watch the video to the end so that you don't miss any of the steps in the script, okay? Because you are going to write a basic script that when double click will give you the options to enter the new computer name or a prompt to enter a new computer name. So without wasting much of the time, I'm going to demonstrate it in my virtual machine, okay? So let me open my virtual machine, which has Windows 10 installed, okay? But the script works in Windows 11 as well, okay? So let me show you my computer name I have in the Windows 10. So I'll click on the folder, then I'll right click on this PC and then go to properties. So this is the computer name or the device name I have, okay? Test-001. Okay, this is the default name I have. So we are going to change this name to a different name. So let me close this. And then to write a script, you open a text editor, okay? I'm going with test documents. You can open Notepad. It's the same thing, okay? So you double click on it. And then you type this basic script, okay? Set /p new name equals enter the new computer name and column wmic, then computer system where name equals the quotation percentage and then computer name, then percentage and then the quotation, then space quotation space rename name equals quotation percentage new name percentage quotation, enter. Okay, so echo computer will be renamed to then percentage new name percentage after restart. Okay, and then pause, then shutdown space /r space /c and then 10. So the PC will restart. So the set space /p is to prompt the user for the computer name to enter a new computer name. Okay, so new name equals enter the new computer name and then wmic computer system where name equals computer name. Okay, so this is a basic script. Okay, so you are going to save this script as a batch file. So you click on the file and then you go to save as. And then you type the name you want to give to your batch file. So I'm going to name my PC. Okay, rename .bat. So I'm going to save it to the desktop. Okay. So this is the batch file we've created. So I'm going to close this and then I'll create a shortcut of this PC rename. I'll right click on the PC rename and I go to send to and then desktop create shortcut. Okay. So this is the shortcut we have. Okay, this is the shortcut. So we are going to right click on the shortcut and then we go to properties. And then under properties, we click on shortcuts and then we go to advanced because it has to run with administrator's privilege or admin privilege, okay? And then we set run as administrator and then we click on OK and then apply and then OK. So now we are good to go. So to change the PC name, you can double click or you just double click on this script or this batch file and then go to yes. And then you see enter the new computer name. So this is the computer name I want to use for my Windows 10, okay, success-pc-001. Then I'll enter from the keyboard. Okay, so you see method execution successful. So computer will be renamed to this name after restart. So let me click on or press on the enter key, and then we see what happens. Okay. Okay, so it's restarting. So you can do the same thing in your Windows 11 PC with this same script, and it's the same thing. It will work as working in this Windows 10. Okay. So it's restarting the Windows 10. So please wait for it. Okay. So I'll leave the script at the description below, and then you try it at your end and leave the comment at the comment section. Okay. Okay, so it's restarting the Windows 10. Okay, so let me quickly log on, and then we go to this PC. Okay, so I've logged on to the Windows 10 again. So I'm going to show you um, where I have my PC name to check if it's changed or not. Okay, so it's still loading. So please wait for it. Okay. Okay, so let me click on the folder icon again, and then I'll right click this PC, and I'll go to properties. So you see, our PC has been changed to success-pc-001. Okay, so it's very helpful. Okay, you can customize the shortcuts as well. So the PC has been changed. Okay, so let me close this. So you can customize the shortcut by right clicking on it, and then you go to properties, and then we change the icon. Okay, so change icon. Okay, so let's change the icon to some. Okay, let's use this. Okay, so apply and okay. So you see the PC name has been changed. It works in Windows 11 as well. Okay, so I'll leave the script at the description below, and then you try it at your end and leave the comment at the comment section below. Please, if you find this video helpful, kindly support the channel by clicking on the subscribe button, liking the video, and turning on the bell notification so that you will never miss an update. Thank you for watching, and bye-bye.